Welcome guys, this is Sachu Josbinoy. In this video, we are going to conduct a study and analysis of customer reviews on Amazon.com. So guys, what makes a helpful online review? This is basically a study of customer reviews on Amazon.com. As people search online for product information and evaluate product alternatives, they often have access to hundreds of product reviews. Recently, research has analyzed the role of online customers' product reviews, specifically looking at reviewers' characteristics. Retail websites offer buyers the opportunity to write product reviews within the content of the numerical star rating, ranging from 1 to 5 stars, and open-ended customer-authored comments about the product. The presence of customer reviews on the website has shown to improve customers' perception of the website's usefulness and the product. However, as customer reviews availability becomes widespread, customer reviews strategies focus shift from mere present to customer evaluation. After each customer review, Amazon.com asks, was this review helpful to you? Amazon provide helpful information alongside with the reviews. We have often seen that 26 out of 31 people found the following review helpful. Amazon has a global reputation for being customer and seller friendly platform. One can sell almost anything on the many marketplaces it has to offer. It takes care of shipping, return and refund with the FBA program. Additionally, it provides a platform to build your brand and improve your business growth by exposing your products to the right audience. We might also have seen while shopping online, many customers check for refund policies before making purchase. Needless to say, if an online seller offers easy returns, the chance of customer buying the product is high. In order to confirm the customers on limitation, Amazon provides the customer with easy return policies. The customer can easily return the undamaged product if it does not meet your expectation. In this video, we come across sentiment analysis, data sets, and mainly the exploratory data analysis. Exploratory data analysis is the way towards investigating information, creating experience, testing speculation, checking suppositions, and uncovering basic shrouded design in the information. In statistics, exploratory data analysis is an approach to analyzing data sets to summarize their main characteristics, often with visual methods. A statistical model can be used or not, but primarily EDA is for seeing what the data can tell us beyond the formal modeling and hypothesis testing task. So, for doing this analysis, I have formulated certain questions. Going further, there are no shortcuts in machine learning project lifecycle. We can't simply skip to the model building stage after gathering the data. We need to plan our approach in a structured manner, and the exploratory data analytics stage plays a huge part in that. The first step of any machine learning project is understanding the problem. So that's what we will aim to do here. I am a big fan of Amazon product lineup. Here I have taken dataset containing reviews of various products manufactured by Amazon like Kindle, Fire TV, Echo, etc. This dataset is downloaded from www.cackle.com and the data has more than 34,000 rows, each containing review text, username, product name, rating and other information for each product. Our objective is to use this data, explore it, and generate insights from it. Before jumping to the exploration stage, we need to perform basic data pre-processing steps like null value imputation and removal of unwanted data. So let's start by importing libraries and reading our dataset. Since this dataset contains 34,000 rows and 21 columns, but we only need information such as product name, review text, user recommendation, and the number of people that found a review helpful. Therefore, I am deleting the other columns and reducing the data set to only 4 columns. That is name, review text, reviews.recommend, and reviews num.helpful. Then let's see if there are any null values present in our dataset. On the following coding, we found that there are few null set values in the dataset. So let's drop these null set values and proceed further. Also, I am only considering those products that have at least 500 reviews. I am doing this to make sure that I have sufficient number of reviews for each product. Here we will use lambda function to filter our dataset. After doing that, we are left with 8 products. Also, the reviews.doRecommend column contains values in the form of true or false, and reviews.numHelpful contain floating point numbers, which is not possible. Therefore, I am converting these columns into integers. Also, reviews.doRecommend column contains values in the form of true or false, and reviews.numHelpful contains floating point numbers, which is not possible. Therefore, I am converting these columns into integers. Here we are finished with the basic data processing part. Let's move to the next section, cleaning the text data. Generally, text data contains a lot of noise, either in the form of symbols or in the form of punctuation and stopwords. Therefore, it becomes necessary to clean the text, not just for making it more understandable, but also get better insights. Here, we will perform text cleaning on columns containing textual data. We have 4 columns in our dataset, out of which 2 columns contain textual data. So let's start with the name column first and take a look at the text present in this column. If we see some title of the products, some product names contain repeating names separated by 3 consecutive commas. So let's clean the name of this product. Similarly, we clean the second column also. Also, here you can see that we have some contraction like its, number like 3, and punctuation like parenthesis and exclamation and dot present in these reviews. We will handle these by performing the expand contraction operation, lowercase reviews, removing digits and words containing digits, removing punctuations. So after creating dictionary of common English contractions that I will use for mapping the contraction to their expanded forms. So we have already cleaned our data and have our corpus ready, but there are still some steps left to be done before EDA. In this session, we will create a document term matrix that we will use later in our analysis. This helps in analyzing the occurrence of words in different documents in a corpus. The following figure is an example of document term matrix. We will also be doing stop word removal, lemmatization, and document term matrix creation. So with all these, we have completed all the procedures required before starting our analysis, and we have our dataset present in exact format we needed for the exploration stage. Yeah, it's finally time for exploratory data analysis. It is a crucial part of any data science project because that's where you get to know what more ideas about the data. In this phase, you can reveal hidden patterns in the data and generate insights from it. So let's start by looking at the common word present in the review of each product. For this, I will use the document term matrix created earlier with word clouds for plotting these words. Word clouds are the visual representation of the frequency of different words present in the document. It gives importance to more frequent words which are bigger in size compared to the less frequent word. After plotting word clouds for each product, we get the following outcome. Here we can see that love, use, buy, great, and easy are the most frequently occurring words for almost every product. This means that users are loving the product from Amazon and found purchasing them a great decision. They also found them easy to use. Now that's a quick way to generate insights from text data, isn't it? And in this case, checking on the polarity, That is, how much a text is positive or negative is sufficient. We can check the polarity of review using a text blob in library in Python. So let's take a look at some of the most positive and negative reviews of the customers. Now let's plot the reviews for each product and compare them. A bar graph is best suited for this process. So you can see that according to polarity of reviews, Amazon need to improve FireKit Edition tablet and Kindle Voyage e-reader. Let's also take a look at the number of reviewers who recommended a particular product. For this, we can take the percentage of reviews like that and plot that. Here we can see that the FireKit Edition tablets has the lowest recommendation percentage. Its reviews also have the lowest polarity. So we can say that the polarity of reviews affects the chances of product getting recommended. என்கிட்ட 9 மணியாகும். Interesting. Both upvoted and non-upvoted reviews are easily understandable by anyone who has completed a 5th or 6th grade in school. Now let's take a look at reading the times of reviews upvoted as helpful and non-helpful. An average adult reads about 20 to 50 words per minute. We can also calculate the reading time of a document using TextStat library. Surprisingly, the reading time of upvoted reviews is twice that of the non-upvoted reviews. It means that people usually find longer reviews helpful. Now let's check which is the most reviewed Amazon product from our data set. From the following output, we see that Fire Tablet is the most reviewed item in Amazon up to date. So I hope you understood how we have done this analysis. Coming to the conclusion, the main aim of customer reviews is to give better idea and insight to other customer and sellers as well. There are many possible ways for doing that, but data science suggests the best possible way. It helps to understand exactly what the customers are expecting from them. The increasing customer reviews provide several opportunities for the sellers to use these customer reviews or feedback for their growth. So I hope this presentation was useful for you people. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Have a nice day.